Today's session is the foundation basics of spoken English. How to start speaking English from zero, step by step guide. Are you struggling to speak English? Feeling nervous? Not sure where to start? Don't worry. Today I will give you the exact 5-step formula to start speaking English from zero. No boring grammar. English from zero. Okay? No confusing rules. Just real, practical steps. So let's begin. Hi, I am Devjani and you are watching Devjani classes. Before you start speaking, you need to train your ears. Think about how babies, how small kids, they learn. They listen for months. They speak a single word. Then are you thinking what to do for that? Don't worry. Okay, I know that. And I have also a solution for you. Listen simple English podcast, YouTube videos, audio books, or watch movies with subtitles first, then remove it. Start with some simple English content and increase the speed over time. Listen to 5 minutes of English today and comment below what you learned today. Okay? This is the first step. Okay? This is the first step you have to do must. You watch. Gradually it will increase your English knowledge. It enhance your knowledge. Step number 2. Start speaking. Start speaking. Don't wait for perfection. Many learners think they need grammar. They need perfect grammar for speaking. I told you this is a wrong method. This is a wrong method. You start speaking from day one. For that, what to do first? First, you talk to yourself what you are doing and what in your surrounding happening. Okay, like just I am reading a book, and when you are in kitchen and preparing foods and making tea, you have to say with yourself like I am making tea. I am making tea, and I will go to work now. Okay. When you are talk to yourself, you have to use a voice recorder and speak and listen to your own mistakes. That's why you have to use voice recorder must. Second thing, you have to find out a speaking partner. Speaking partner. That's why you can find out a friend or English partner, like you can join in an English partner group also. You can also create that like of friend circle, and you can also use English conversation app in your, with your mobile. Okay, in your mobile you can also download English conversation app. There are many apps in your mobile. Okay, record your voice when you are speaking, and you can also send it to your friend, and you also listen that recording for your perfection where you are making mistakes, okay, you have to perfect it and correct it. You also correct it. Step number 3, learn 5 to 10 words daily. Don't try to memorize thousands of words at once. Just learn 5 to 10 useful words daily and you will know approximately 3650 words in a year. How it possible? Yes, you use flashcards or apps like Duolingo, Anki or Quizlet. Okay, learn words related to daily life. Okay, not other words, other stuff words. You learn that words are related to your daily life, like kitchen, shopping, office, travel, etc. Write down 3 sentences using each new word. Every day you write down 3 sentences using this new words. Example, take an example. Excited. Okay, take a word excited, make it sentences. I am excited to learn English today. I am excited to learn English today. Okay guys, comment below 3 new words you learn today with amazing sentences. Then step number 4, think in English. Okay, no more translating. Stop translating from your native language. Train your brain to think in English directly. Describe things in English. This is my phone. It is black, etc. This is my book. This is my bag. That's your book. Make small sentences and think it in English. Ask yourself questions. What will I eat today? Then answer in English. Label objects around your house with sticky notes in English. Look around your home, your room, and name 5 things in English. Gradually, it will increase your English day by day. Then, step number 5. Join the Speak English Everyday Challenge. How? That you know the 5 steps and it's time for action. What to do next? Listen to at least 5 minutes of English daily. Speak 5 sentences in English today. Learn 5 new words and use them in sentences. Write down in comment section that I accept the challenge if you are ready to improve your English. Let's do this together. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for daily English learning videos. Let's make English easy together. See you in the next lessons. Okay, thanks for watching this video.